Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and welcome to the Outdoor Doug and Nikki Testing Studio, where today I am going to test and review for you this crazy induction aircraft flying crystal ball. Look at, that's what it's supposed to look like when it flies. I don't know how it took me this long to find this thing, but I'm gonna unbox this for you. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna give you Doug's score from 1 to 5 so you know whether this thing is actually good or a piece of crap. But let's play with it, see what it's like. Okay, so I guess I'll tell you a little bit about it, what they say about it, because that's all I know so far. Hovers up to 15 feet, has infrared technology, fly it right out of the box, has durable propellers with super bright LEDs, and a self-balancing gyroscope. We'll see if any or all of that is true. Here it is. Okay, so what is the process here? So we have a kind of USB cable, our flying crystal ball. That's all there is to this. See, user's manual says, oh, wait a sec. Turn the power switch on the heliball, wait for 3 seconds, the heliball will start automatically, then you can use your hands to induce control. Oh, okay, so I didn't realize that. Here's news for you and for me, I guess. This isn't like something that you control. You let go of it, it kind of hovers, and then you basically push it around and it moves in that direction. So I think there's only one thing to do. We need to charge it up and put it up in the air, see how it flies. Let's do that. Okay, it's charged up overnight. I have no idea what's gonna happen with this, so this is the first experiment. Let's turn it on and see what goes down. Dun, dun, dun. Just supposed to flip the switch. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can see the color. I can feel it's a little light. Not flying so well. Let's go check it out. Okay, so you need to kind of keep it. It's more like a game than something that flies. I mean, it does go well, and I'm sure a kid would love this. I kind of thought it was gonna fly more than me chase it around and pop. Oh, psh. Oh, we crashed. Let's give it one more try. Starts up pretty durable. Oh, it's going. It's up there pretty good now. I could say it's a good 15 feet up, something like that. Here it comes. Let's try that again. This thing is definitely 5 out of 5 for what this thing cost. It is a ton of fun. How about that? Let's try just turning it off. Yep, that's a 5 out of 5.